Want to know if someone screenshot a View Once Instagram message? Here's how: fast. View Once photos automatically vanish after one view unless someone saves them. Important: Instagram no longer reliably notifies when someone screenshots View Once content. First, check the chat status. Delivered means unread, open means it was viewed. Scan for a tiny camera icon, a ring, or changed message badge that signals a view. If the recipient references, shares, or reposts the image, that's a clear sign it was saved. Use vanish mode or disappearing messages for extra privacy when sending sensitive photos. Avoid sending critical or private content. Screenshots can bypass View Once protections easily. If you suspect a screenshot, ask them directly and save timestamps or chat evidence. Regularly audit your messages and delete sensitive images from chats when possible. Remember, there is no foolproof detection. Prevention beats detection every time. Follow for more quick Instagram privacy tips and tap follow to stay updated.